Jordan from jordanseasyentertaining.com here, and welcome to the 12 Days of Christmas! So I've teamed up with some of my favorite blogger friends, Bree from Parties with a Cause, Serena from Join the Commonplace, and Jennifer from Bella Bay Designs to bring you 12 straight days of Christmas ideas to help you get ready for your holiday entertaining. Today we are all sharing tutorials on DIY Christmas ornaments. So I'm going to show you how to make this rustic deer head DIY Christmas ornament using your Cricut Maker machine. Make sure to head over to jordanseasyentertaining.com to get this Cricut Design Space project link, your materials list, and to get links to the blog posts for the other DIY Christmas ornament tutorials. And while you're over on my blog post, make sure to enter my Christmas giveaway, where I will be giving away a cake stand just like this to one lucky winner. You can come back and enter every day of the 12 days of Christmas. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!